Welcome to another episode of Adventure Live. We are on the way this weekend to the Space Coast. We're going to stay in Titusville for about 3 nights, and we'll participate on a Bioluminescence Kayak tour, as well as witnessing the launch of a SpaceX rocket. So excited to see that. But so it's what's today? March 13th, 2026.
Turn right onto Florida 405 East, signs for Kennedy Space Center. Turn left, then you will arrive in your destination.
In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Entered ignition and liftoff. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket on the Starlink 10-48 mission. The Falcon 9 has cleared the tower.
Morning from the Manatee Hammock Campground here in Titusville. It's about 8:40 in the morning, and we just witnessed a rocket launch, SpaceX. It was difficult to see. I didn't get the camera fast enough ready. We'll see if it's on the camcorder. But it's a beautiful morning here. And temperature around 70, low 70s. Have a nice pier here. There's a campground right there, a dog park right there. There's another launch scheduled for Monday morning, like 6:40 or so in the morning. So let's see if we can capture that one. Now we know where the exact departing up there. We go for a little morning walk here at the campground. There's a little park area. It's a county park. It's not a state park. And it's very nice. The campground has about 166 sites, mostly full hookup, which is nice. Also Wi-Fi, and cost us around $45-50 a night. So a little bit steep for a county park, but definitely cheaper than a commercial campground, which run right now in the March time about $100+ a night. And here's our site, 107. Actually fairly nice. It's at the end, so we have no neighbors right here, right next to us on this side, and the other ones are a little bit stacked behind it. Pickleball court, and there should be a pool right next to it here. There's a pool. And we have the laundry room right here. And here we have the rec hall. Air conditioned, nice and cool. This is a great shot right there of the rocket launch. Alright, as you can see, you'll see nothing because it's dark, 8:30 p.m. We're here at the BK Adventures at the Beacon 42 boat ramp, and we are going to do a bioluminescent kayak tour. So hopefully we can see something with the camera. If not, then not. BK Adventures Tours and Rentals. Yeah, the kayaks, clear bottom kayak, tandem.
The water's very shallow here, so we have to go out just a little bit.
Yeah, no problem.
Is it the sting? Let's see.
What are those again?
The cilia. The cilia is on the tendrils on the jellyfish. You've seen like regular stereotypical jellyfish, right?
Sure.
So those little tendrils that you see floating off of them, those are called cilia. As you notice here, none of these are wafered. They all are just kind of like lines and look like little tendril thingies. Right. Yes, those show up pretty nicely.
Oh wow, look at that one.
Yeah.
All right, we just finished the tour, and it was all right. It was an hour and a half. Weather was held up actually, and just a few sprinkles. But yeah, we had a good time. But the full bioluminescence, the lights you could see barely, I would say. So the best time is around June, July, let's say the summertime. So we have to come back. But yeah, check it out, BK Adventures here in Titusville. 6:27 in the morning, and we're here still at the campground, and we're supposed to have the SpaceX launch, but it looks like it has been moved. We see over the water right there a thundercloud, very active, every few seconds, lightning. Well, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next time on our channel.